DOJ investigation and yesterday's guilty verdicts, there's still another trial ahead of us. In August, former police officers Tao, Lane, and King will have their turn before a jury together. They're charged with aiding and abetting in the death of George Floyd. Today, Callan Gray talked to a legal expert about what's next.
Former Minneapolis police officers Thomas Lane
Stay in the car. Let me see your other hand.
I'm sorry.
and J. Alexander King were the first on scene.
Put your hands up right now.
Body camera footage capturing their struggle with George Floyd.
You need to take a seat right now.
And I just had COVID, man. I don't want to go back to that.
Okay, I'll roll the windows down.
And two Tao arriving. As the minutes passed, the different camera angles capturing Lane at Floyd's legs, King at his back, and Tao with his attention going back and forth between the bystanders and what the other former officers were doing. Now, all three will go to trial together in August.
It's going to be a lot longer trial.
Each is charged with aiding and abetting both second-degree murder and second-degree manslaughter.
They have to prove that the other three officers knew what Chauvin was doing and intended to help him commit a felony. And that's just a higher burden of proof.
Experienced attorney Joe Friedberg says while it's likely many of the same witnesses will be called in the upcoming trial,
I don't know as the state is going to put together the same research sources for the second trial. But from the defense side, you're going to see three very professional, extremely aggressive criminal defense lawyers representing these police officers.
Earl Gray, Thomas Plunkett, and Robert Pauley.
The trial will not look similar at all. There will be objections ringing out. The judge will have to repeatedly rule.
During Chauvin's trial,
If you would publish that, please.
prosecutors brought up the actions of the other former officers,
Roll them on the side.
including how Lane asked whether they should roll Floyd over.
How could that play out?
Well, and Earl Gray is going to be representing Lane, and what he and the others have to be aware of is, to a degree, the defense is they were following orders of a senior. But you can't fall into what is referred to as the Gestapo defense. I was just following orders, because you do have a free will.
Friedberg expects all three will testify.
And tell this jury what it is they were thinking and how they never appreciated the risk to Mr. Floyd and how they inquired as, is something going wrong here? And were told by a senior officer, no, this is what we're supposed to do.
The state wants all three former officers to face a third-degree murder charge as well. There's a Court of Appeals hearing on that May 20th.
What's Friedberg say about the likelihood of that happening?
Well, he doesn't think it's likely. We checked in with our other legal analysts as well, one telling us it's a close call. In the months ahead, Friedberg expects the attorneys will try to get a change of venue and may even argue there is nowhere these former officers could get a fair trial. It's an issue Chauvin's attorney also raised several times, Judge Cahill ruling against it.
Callan Gray, excuse me. Thanks.